Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we're here discovering our greatest financial potential. So this is my May budget set up, zero based, as you can see. So if you want to see how I got down to this figure, well, this should actually be zero. If you want to see how I got down to this figure, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's jump straight into this budgeting video. Let's jump straight into this budget. So today's budget, we're doing it for May. So this is our May zero based budget. Okay, so first thing we're going to get started with is my rent, which is, I'm budgeting that to be $362.50. Well, I know that that's going to be that. Utilities, $10.50. Food, I'm budgeting, and then for my phone, and then if we, this is going to be 300. This is going to be 603 pounds. Okay, and for my salary, I'm just going to change the ink. I'm expecting to get 1,300, and then for this one I am expecting to get 1,000. So that's a grand total of 2,300. So we're gonna make this amount work. Okay, now let's get down to the debts. So the balance that I have on my first loan, it's 9,827 and 89p. I'm budgeting the interest to be around 150. Sorry, made a mistake. This is going to be 31704. That's the minimum payment, and the interest I'm budgeting around 150. And let me just do some quick maths. 04 minus 150, that's 167 and 4p. That's going towards the principal payment, which is going to reduce this figure. So when I make my minimum payment, this amount goes directly to the bank. This amount goes to my actual, to reduce the actual balance. So I know that seems little right now, but we're taking small steps. Currently my credit card for this, it has gone up. As the country opened up, I went on a little shopping spree, which I shouldn't have, but it's all good. And the interest charged on this credit card was £46 and 40p, and with a principal payment going as £25 and 3p. Now my overdraft, okay, and this doesn't have a minimum payment, but I like to pay 100 because my interest is charged daily. So this month I'm budgeting around £70 that will come out, and this will still be 100. Okay, and then for my aqua, the total balance was £17.85, and the minimum payment was £17.85, and the interest charge was £17.85. So the reason why this was so small is because I used my Monzo overdraft to just pay off the balance until I got paid, and then I will return the money to Monzo. So the allocated amount that the £500 allocated amount that I would have had to finish pay off my Aqua credit card, that now will go to my Monzo card. So you will see that balance in just a minute. Now my Vanquest is 2261.58, and my minimum payment for this is $127.70, and the interest charged is $61.70, and this will be getting £66, and that's if I pay the minimum payment. Okay, and now for my Monzo, it's overdrawn by $651. Again, there's no minimum payment on this, so I'm budgeting to put, I'm gonna put 400, and the amount of interest that I'll pay is that, but 400 is what will go directly to this account. And then my CCC, the balance on that is 1423.17, and my minimum payment for this is £71.82, and the interest charge was $23.77, and this is $48.05. And this card also got some damage to it, so this also increased, but it's all good. Still have to live a little, but now I'm in more control of everything that's happening. So the minimum payment for this is $150, where the interest charged was $87.49. And then let me just work that out. 7.82. £78.18. And as you guys know, with my phone, I don't pay any interest on this. 22, and my minimum payment is so out of my £1,290.98, only £919.44 will be actually going to the balance of my overall debt to reduce it. This £465.23, this to me is so that's my lost opportunity. Okay, so now we're going to go, I have my ISA, just going to change colors. This is 100, this is 20 pounds, and this is 10 pounds. And that's a grand total of 130 pounds. So my income, I want a different color pen. It's going to be 400 minus 603 minus 1290.98 minus 130 pounds. So if I add that up quickly, or subtract that quickly, so 3 minus 1290.98 minus 30. Okay, so now balance for cash stuffing is $276.02. So you have to stay tuned. This is just my budgeted. This is not the actual. I still have to wait until I get paid and then update these figures, because a girl is aggressively attacking her debt. So for some of these, I won't be making the minimum payments, so my debt payments will be a little bit higher. So just bear with me and you'll see that in the next video. And you also know that a girl will have a cash stuffing video coming up soon. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you like to see this kind of stuff. Until the next time, bye.